The universe is big, really big. So big, in fact, that it's almost impossible for our human minds to truly grasp its vastness. We're used to dealing with distances we can measure in miles or kilometers, distances we can travel in hours or days. But when we start talking about the universe, those familiar units become meaningless. We need new ways of thinking, new ways of measuring, to even begin to comprehend the sheer scale of existence. Think about the Earth, our home planet. It seems pretty big to us, right? We have vast oceans, towering mountains, sprawling continents. Yet on the cosmic scale, Earth is just a tiny speck of dust, adrift in the unimaginable expanse of the universe. To journey across our galaxy, the Milky Way, even at the speed of light, would take 100,000 years. And the Milky Way? It's just one of billions upon billions of galaxies in the observable universe. The distances involved are so staggering that they challenge our very understanding of space and time. But while the size of the universe can make us feel small, it can also fill us with a sense of awe and wonder. It's a reminder that we are part of something much greater than ourselves, something mysterious and beautiful, something that continues to inspire and challenge us to explore and understand. Let's start our exploration of the universe's size by looking at our own cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. We have 8 planets orbiting our star, the Sun, along with countless asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets. The distances between these objects are already mind-boggling when we consider the scales we're used to on Earth. For example, the average distance from Earth to the Sun is about 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers. This distance is so vast that we have a special unit to measure it. The astronomical unit, or AU. Pluto, the dwarf planet once considered the 9th planet in our solar system, is about 39.5 AU from the Sun, meaning it's almost 40 times farther away from the Sun than Earth is. But even the edge of our solar system, marked by the mysterious Oort cloud, a vast sphere of icy bodies, is just a stone's throw away compared to the vastness beyond. To reach the nearest star system, Proxima Centauri, we'd have to travel about 4.24 light-years. A light-year, the distance light travels in 1 year, is about 6 trillion miles or 9.5 trillion kilometers. Suddenly, even astronomical units seem small. Now, imagine zooming out even farther, beyond our solar system, beyond Proxima Centauri, beyond the countless other stars that make up our night sky. We would find ourselves in the Milky Way galaxy, a vast spiral of stars, gas, dust, and planets. Our Sun is just one of an estimated 100 billion to 400 billion stars that call the Milky Way home. If we could see the Milky Way from above, it would look like a giant pinwheel, with spiral arms swirling out from a central bulge. Our solar system is located about 2/3 of the way out from the center, on one of these spiral arms. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years across, meaning it would take a beam of light 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. Within the Milky Way, stars are not evenly distributed. They're clustered together in groups, some containing just a few stars, others containing millions. These clusters, along with vast clouds of gas and dust, are all caught in the Milky Way's gravitational pull, swirling around the galactic center. Even at this scale, we are still just scratching the surface of the universe's immensity. The Milky Way is just one galaxy among billions upon billions in the observable universe. These galaxies come in a variety of shapes and sizes, spirals like our own, elliptical galaxies that resemble giant footballs, and irregular galaxies with no defined shape. Each galaxy is a vast island of stars, gas, and dust, separated by unimaginable gulfs of empty space. To get a sense of just how many galaxies there are, imagine a grain of sand held at arm's length. That tiny speck covers about the same amount of sky as the Hubble Deep Field, an image captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. In that tiny patch of sky, astronomers have identified thousands of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Extrapolating that to the entire sky, astronomers estimate that there are trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. That's trillions of islands of stars, each potentially home to planets, moons, and maybe even life. The sheer number is staggering, a testament to the universe's incredible vastness and diversity.